A major part of safety housekeeping and accident prevention involves the chemicals you work around every day. You might be surprised at how many there are in your facility that might be hazardous. The chemicals in cleaners and disinfectants, soaps, even copier machine toners can all be dangerous if they're not handled correctly. Be sure to read labels and follow the instructions. Material safety data sheets are another good source of information about what types of hazards exist and how you can protect yourself while you're handling a substance. It's important to know where MSDSs are kept and how to use them. Sometimes you'll need to use personal protective equipment, such as safety goggles, gloves, or respirators when you work with chemicals. Check the MSDS and talk to your supervisor to see what you should do. When storing materials, read the label and the MSDS to determine what type of environment they need. Pay particular attention to temperature and ventilation requirements. There should be enough light in all storage areas so you can easily read container labels. Shelving should be strong and corrosion resistant. Never overstock shelves. Too many containers make it difficult to find what you want and increase the chance of a spill. Aisles should be wide enough to provide safe access to the chemicals and allow for easy movement. Materials that are flammable should be stored in UL-approved cans with spring-loaded caps, then placed in a flammable materials cabinet for safekeeping. Compressed gas cylinders should be firmly secured in a cool, dry, well-ventilated area. Storerooms should be fire-resistant and free from corrosive fumes. And never store food or drink in refrigerators containing potentially hazardous substances. It's too easy to confuse what's inside, and there's always the possibility of contamination.